You guys, remember when these were trending? Oh my god. I don't know why it took me months and months and months to get my hands on these Bibigo dumplings. But now that I have them, oh my god, I'm gonna try them for you guys. So I had been wanting and wanting and wanting these dumplings ever since I first saw them on TikTok. And here we are. So months later, we're finally trying these dumplings for the first time. So it comes with like a little soy sauce. Oh my god, that did not open correctly. Well, I don't know if I like that. We're gonna do a little bit. Ay. Can y'all see that? But we have a little bit of soy sauce on them. And then me, I have this My Ploy. If y'all don't know about that sweet chili sauce by My Ploy, get into it. I don't have all the ingredients that, you know, everyone was using. The sweet, or the chili oil and all that. The chives and everything like that. But this is what we have. So I'm so excited, you guys, to dig in. Look. Licky. I just heated them up. I followed the instructions on the packaging. So let's get into it. Hold on. I don't want to cover them all in the sauce. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god, it is as good as they said. Oh my gosh. I was craving these dumplings and never even tried them. I was on the hunt for these. Literally one day I just walked into a random store. Well, it's not a random store. And I saw them. I'm like, are my eyes betraying me? It's so juicy. It's so soupy. Oh my god. No. That soy sauce and that sweet chili sauce together, literally all you need. Perfect combination. Oh my god. That is so good, you guys. Oh my god, the way this was trending everywhere. I had to get it and I had to eat it with you guys. No kidding. This is a 10 out of 10. This is 10 out of 10. If you haven't tried it like me, if you're a year late, definitely go find them. I found these here in Virginia at a store called Little. They're out probably at Trader Joe's. I don't know if it's this brand. I was specifically looking for Bibigo. If you know, you know. I know Trader Joe's has their own like dumplings, but these are really good. 10 out of 10. Did not disappoint.